Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. This is the video to show you the surprise, not a surprise, it's a happy meal from my dear friend Nora. She is from Canada and she is such a sweet and kind lady, and she say that she want to send me something, and thank you so much, Nora. And and I just told she's shouldn't send me anything, but so glad you did. And so we just see what she sent to me. And yes, let me show you. Okay, and this package arrived today is Wednesday here. I believe it's Monday or Tuesday, but because of I have no time to do the video, so now let me get started and see what Nora sent to me. She is such a kind and sweet lady, and she has a group in Facebook that she sells something. She get a find from her local store, and you can just message to her if you're looking for something she can find for you. And thank you so much. Look at this. She made me a purse, a bag, handbag. It's so pretty. This butterfly is from one of my kids, right? It's a DIY. If I'm not mistaken, it's a I'm not sure it's this. It's a DIY kit. So this is the butterflies. We added this here. Let me check the my camera. The tripod already. The cannot adjust, so this, and so now see. Look at this. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. She used some doily, and there's like a snippet, and to go around this bag, and inside she stuffed something here. It's so cute. This one is so cute. This, I believe she bought this one, and she just covered with the lace flower, and she make this is the like a wire leaf, and the glue it really dropped, and I will glue it back, no worry for that. So this is the butterfly, and this is so pretty. Thank you so much, Nora. And she sent me this thing here, and she wrote me a note here. My friend Annie, thank you so much, Nora. I have to make something for you, but just I always say cause I all know that I have the time, just limited time to craft for myself. So thanks to all the patient for your patience to wait for my stuff to return to send to you. So hello Annie, just a note to say I hope you enjoyed this thing. I try to find some things that you wouldn't have, but you seem you have it all. My yes, I made you this little purse, hoping you will add into your amazing collection. Yes, definitely I will add into my craft room and find your safe from anything. The wife. Thank you so much, Nora, and thanks for your caring, and I appreciate to our friendship, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And this one I definitely will use this. And she sent me something that I couldn't get from my place hopefully. And and Nora, she is one of my permanent members in my group, and she is so supportive, and and continue. Oh wow, yes, This is definitely I couldn't get from my local store, because yeah, this one is you cut out from the big doily, and yeah, I just love all the small pieces here. So yeah, easy to manage to put into our project. Thank you so much. Yeah, Nora, she also have sell all this into her group. Sometimes all her item is just limited quantity, so yeah, you have to hurry. If you I will pop her Facebook link below the description box, so you can check her out if you are looking for something, and you have you can ask her to help to find for you. And this one, yeah, this is the pieces that she cut out from her the bridal, the wedding dress. And thank you. And yeah, she's mentioned that she can send me a big package, but because of the postage is crazy, it's so expensive, the postage. I totally understand about it. And Malaysia, the postage also increased a lot, and it's so crazy expensive also. So yeah, is really, oh, I don't know how to mention, but everything is so increased. Oh, anyway, yeah, thank you so much, Nora, for sending me all these pieces here. And I love all these, so we can use all these small pieces to make, yeah, beautiful thing. And look at this also can cut it out and make something beautiful. And all this color, I like the white color, so that we can dye the color that we like. So yeah, all this here, this I just love tangle. I don't know why, but yeah, just love it. Always through with all these bridal pieces. And this is the button, yeah, so cute. And all these small pieces is just perfect to craft. Yeah, this one she dyed the color here. I believe she dyed this color, or this is the original color, like so, I'm not sure. And leaves and blue. I seldom use this kind of blue, but yeah, you use to some special project. And this one, beautiful, and can cut it out and dye the color. All this is just beautiful. Yeah, you're looking something like so, you can, yeah, message to Nora, so you can get it for you. And these big pieces here, this, yeah, used to make a fabric boat, and some sequins, gray color. And these big pieces here, and this like a table runner, big pieces. And you can see how many pieces I can cut it out from this fabric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 pieces of these you can cut and use into your fabric book. And this is the pink one, so big here. Thank you so much, Nora. And look at this is so pretty and so soft. And this is a hand crochet one, I believe. It uses tiny thread, like so pretty. Thank you so much. And this one is like a doily, is a coaster. And this one yellow, and this one, and I love this kind of the small pieces. This one so pretty. And this one, oh, it's so soft. And look at this, it's so pretty. Look at this. And you add the pink, some maybe you can hand sew the bead in the center and use onto your fabric book. It's so pretty. And this is like it's a dress, yeah. but this one is so light, it's so soft. Thank you so much, Nora, for your sweet gift. And I definitely will use all this in some of my special project. And yeah, I will separate all this, because I will keep all this in different place. So this one is the plain, this one like so, this one is the apricot. Yeah, write the apricot here. This one is also is the apricot. Yeah, I like to organize everything and put, so easy for me to find when I do the craft. Cause I have so many stuff, like Nora say this one is apricot. Okay, this one also is apricot. So yeah, thanks again, Nora, for all this sweet gift here, and I definitely will use all this into my project. And this beautiful bag, thank you so much. And like I say, I will pop her link below the description box, so you can check her out if you are looking for something and you couldn't get from your town or any. Thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.